Hi, welcome to MalviyaOP. This challenging question is from a set of question paper bank for the preparation of competitive examinations like Math Olympiad for the primary school students. Please read it carefully and note down all the given information. We will try to solve this question in 3 simple steps. Number 1 would be to find out the number of students who passed the first test, and the second step would be to find the number of boys and girls who passed the first test, and the third step would be to find the strength of the class. So to start with the first step, to find out the number of boys and girls who passed the first test. So this number can be given by the number of students passed both tests minus the number of students passed the second test, that is the retest. Pass the retest. So as you know, the number of students who passed both the tests are 28, and in the retest 6 girls and 3 boys have passed. So we have to exclude them. So we get the number of students who passed the first test is 19. Right? Now let's do the second step. This is to find the number of boys and girls who passed the first test. So as you know, 60% girls failed in this test. So number of girls passed the first test are 40%. Girls who passed the first test are 40%. And since 65% of boys who passed the first test, because 35% of them failed. So 65% of boys have passed the first test. So from these two information, we can find out the ratio of boys and girls who passed the first test. So the boys to girls who passed first test, the ratio is 65% to 40%. And they are equal to 19 students. The total student passed are 19. So from this we can change the ratio, change the percentage into fraction. So 65 becomes 13 and 40 becomes 8, because both are divisible by 5. So we can say 13 units plus 8 units equals how much? 19. Therefore 1 unit is equal to 19 over 21. So from this, now we can find the number of boys who have passed the first test. So number of boys will be 13 multiplied by 19 over 21. So we get 11.76. Now 11.76 is a decimal figure. So boys cannot be in decimal. Their number should be a whole number. Since 11.76 is very close to 12, So we can approximate it to 12 boys. Okay, so the boys who passed the first test are 12, and the girls who passed first test will be equal to 19 minus 12, because 19s are the total number, out of which 12 numbers are boys. So girls become 7 numbers. Okay. So from this we can find the strength of the class, that is the number of boys in the class and number of girls in the class. As 65% boys who pass the first test are 12, so 100% boys, how much? It will be 12 multiplied by 100% divided by 65%. So this will become 18.46. So we can approximate it to 18. So boys in the class are 18, and the girls would be, since 40% girls is equal to 7, so 100% girls will be 7 multiplied by 100% divided by 40%. So this will give us 17.5. So we can take girls as 17 numbers. So the strength of the class, the third step, strength of the class becomes how much? 18 boys plus 17 girls. So it becomes total of 35. So there are 35 students in the class. So number of students who failed, number of students failed would be 35 minus number of students who passed, those are 28. So students failed are 7. So you got your answer, and the choices of answer as given above. So from that, B is the right answer. B is your option for the right answer. So friends, as you have seen, we have solved a very challenging question in 3 simple steps. So please press the like button and share this video, and do support to my channel by subscribing to it. Thank you very much for watching this video.